Hey everyone, instead of a 3D printing video, I have a tip video today. I do have a lot of 3D printed parts in my house, which of many are attached to a wall or a door with, you already guessed it, some double-sided tape. The removal of the tape is always pretty difficult, and here on a stone surface you can cheat and use a sharp razor. But usually you need to clean off a thin film of gunk that is being left over by the scraping with some rubbing alcohol. Well, what about wood or painted wood? How would we clean those? Because we cannot scrape them. We use, of course, my favorite method of cleaning, and that is with high pressure steam. Joking aside, using a steam cleaner might look extremely stupid, but actually due to the high pressure steam trying to push apart the glue joint itself, it's possible to remove the double-sided tape without leaving minimal to no residue. So as you can see here, you grab a corner with a pair of pliers and then you start steaming away. And it's important that you keep the nozzle moving, and here in the thermal shots you can see how the heat around the nozzle looks like. And it's important that you really tilt your nozzle so you actually blow on the surface of your painted wood or your plastic and not really inwards, and then you can remove the tape. If you have a bit of tape that somebody else already tried to pull off, you can still try to grab a corner, then push the steam in between the glue joint and then slowly peeling away the tape. So if you have access to a steam cleaner or know somebody that has one, feel free to use that in order to remove the double-sided tape from surfaces that would otherwise be damaged with chemicals or with a razor, like painted wood or other plastics that are really soft. Thank you all for watching, and remember, just try to DIY.